Yeah guys, just take another dip. But just it's a beautiful day. Yeah. Yeah guys, so we're there. Kids them in a river going to enjoy themselves. People on the rafting boat to pass through. You know we go, we in our hills. You see that? Hills. So we're there going to enjoy ourselves. I'm not touch the water yet still, but in a minute now. Alright? So I keep you guys posted, right? Yeah guys, so I just tell you about the rafting boat passing up and down. So here's another one, you know. People enjoying themselves on the boat ride, you know. So it's just a beautiful day. We're out here and enjoy ourselves, you know. The place is so hot, man. That's why we have to find a river to come just enjoy our day and just keep cool, you know. So guys, touch the river, you know. Yeah, man, let's see. Yeah guys, so they're out here. Come back. They're out here. Ready? I'm gonna take a little wash off, you know. Ready? Go. Over there, I go wash off and things, you know. I don't even know how far Yassa is, you know, how deep it is. Sorry guys, I don't even know how deep right Yassa is. So yo, I'm so forward, but I'm gonna feel it out first and get back to you guys. Yeah guys, a bag of thing I go on, isn't it? So actually, so you want to catch me, huh? Actually I'm a neighbor. So right Yassa. You free up the place now. What you mean? Ziggy, how deep? Yo, them man, yo, you see them man. Man, yo, a long time them man do it, you know. Yeah, man. For over there, Colombo side, you know, them man used to have an apartment up a Colombo side where we chill out more while at the pool and things, you see me, say? Yeah, man, but right just look like it deep. Yo, people, the man I say, yo, the water no cool. Yo, I wish you know the day, yeah, man, to feel it. I tell you, it's cool, man. But yo, it's a nice river still. So if you don't want to find that river, yeah, you just link me up. Link me up in my DM. Just link me up in my DM and we can give you a tour. You see me? Ziggy, you turn up young guys. One stone? Cause yo, I feel like you're so deep, you know. Cause yeah, I just a rock where you see where it catch me? Yeah guys, just take another dip. but just take a deep guys, you see me? Yeah man, I tell you. Yo, it's a river guys, this place to be, you see me? River water is always cool and nice. It's not like beach. As you come out, your skin burn up, you know. River is different, you know. Trust me. Yeah, enjoy my day. I hope you guys enjoy yours. Hey, yo, guys, mama just get washed over and there's a two blood clot. It is fun to watch the people in tubing, guys, you know, and rafting while you're here chilling, you know. Yeah, guys. It's a beautiful day, man. River day, you know? Yep.